Alright, I don't know if this is going to work out perfectly. You have your Hertzsprung-Russell diagram. Now, up to the right-hand side, upper right-hand side, I'm thinking this is caused by parallax mistakes. The parallax is very unreliable when it comes to really far distances. Any distance basically past 10 light years, parallax, you can just toss that out. Why they put so much importance on it, I guess it was useful for them, but this is all a big mistake up here. These objects, it's irrelevant. They belong on the main scale right here. Okay, and here's a white dwarfs, and they have a big gap right here. I put these in place. There's no gap there. At least I might be wrong, but I believe that this curves up, and then it falls down like this, and it's cooler and cooler. And one of the biggest reasons why I wanted to go over this is the most correct version. As the star cools, its population increases as well because there's more of them and it takes longer to cool. So naturally, the younger stars are going to be less populating the galaxy, and as it cools, there becomes more and more and more and more of them. And it is shocking to me how scientists have completely ignored the fact that look what direction this is going, okay? How is it that they didn't make the connection, okay? How is it that they didn't think, oh wow, look, it's going down to the right? Well, obviously, where does it go down to the right? Well, down to the right it gets way cooler. Down to the right, its luminosity decreases. So you have luminosity decreases, low luminosity. Really, really bright, really, really dim. And really, really hot, colder, and it goes down. And as you move down the diagram, the population of the stars increases significantly. Okay, you like my pen marks, hopefully. There's overwhelming numbers of cooling older stars, which are basically called exoplanets. They do not shine like younger stars. And that's the big gist of it. They're sitting here ignoring the majority of stellar evolution. I'm shocked that they managed to ignore something as obvious as this. Their educations are getting in the way of their learning, apparently. But this is the number one thing that I want people to learn. Classifying the stars based off of temperature and what stage of evolution they are, that's details. I want them to learn that the stars, they don't stop cooling and shining at this line right here. Okay? They don't stop right here. They keep on going. And unfortunately, scientists, they manage to call them planets for some reason. Here's 0 Celsius, 500 degrees Celsius. So you go down here, of course, there are a whole shitload of cooler, older stars that are populating the galaxy in much greater numbers than are the stars that shine. Alright, today is March 4th, 2017.